morning, it's Republic Day ride with the TVS Sai Radha, and we are going towards the Bajagoli. You'll enjoy this ride. It's a nice beautiful day and I'm riding a Smooth Q4. Good morning and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. So today we are riding with TVS Sai Radha Mangalore. It's a Republic Day ride going towards Bajagoli. So taking them via Gurpur, Karkala and then towards Bajagoli and my favorite breakfast joint, which is Hotel Renuka. So we've got a lot of 310RR and then the Ronin today, and also few Apache 180s and 160s I believe. So in total we are around 15 riders for the day, and this is the first time I am riding with the AOG group, which is Apache Owners Group. AOG, that's what it means. So it's gonna be a lot of fun riding the 310RR myself. So yes, it's going to be fun, this ride. And the route, purposely I have taken a route which is complete full of twisties and windies, because when you ride a fared motorcycle like this, you will enjoy in places like these, like the curves and the steep turns. You know, these motorcycles are made for such terrain. So plan that way, and this place will be super foggy every morning during this time of the year. It's nice day to ride. It's chilly morning, and especially these areas are much more chillier because of the greenery around and the mist, what you can see around. I'm not too sure how much, if it's visible. The mist is the testimony of the same, that you know it's a chilly morning. This machine is a beast of a machine, I must say. The 310RR is absolutely a beast of a machine. The way this responds is fantastic. I have done a couple of videos on this motorcycle. If you want to watch that video, go to my playlist in review section, you will get that. And I've done a detailed review on this. It's a beautiful motorcycle with different ride modes. You have rain mode, you have sports mode, and then you have the eco mode, 3 different ride modes. And the way it handles the suspension is crazy, and especially the new ones. They come with adjustable suspension, which this does not have. They come with the slipper clutch and all of it. This is the older version, and they are absolutely fantastic. And I love the instrument cluster what they've given on the 310RR. It's a beautiful instrument cluster and a lot of information that goes in. So let's get into the interesting part, and I'll come back when we have some nice roads where we can throttle. Check out the mist here. This is what I was talking about. It's a beautiful mist. I can't see any ranges there. Look at that mist, completely covered. Beautiful. And look at the fields, completely covered by fog and mist, and beautiful weather. Beautiful. It's a fantastic view. And look at the sunrise, and look at that red ball. And the weather here is nice. It's beautiful weather. And I actually wanted to come still earlier than this, because then it'll be a fantastic, beautiful weather. Nonetheless, we're there. We're still experiencing what I wanted to experience. And look at these pieces, amazing. It's always early morning rides are beautiful, especially this up till Feb. And the weather is always going to be more or less very nice across the country. And you know, you have some nice places to visit. Go have some fun during summer. Some places you have nice sunrise points. Some places you get some nice sunset points, and depending upon where you're going, you can explore those places, go around. And today we are taking the TVS, that is Sai Radha TVS Mangalore, for a spin. And we are riding the Ronins, we are riding the TVS 310RRs, and then the Apache series as well. So we have the entire Apache series, the 310RR, and then the 200s and the 180s, all of this. So here we are in Gurpur. So next time you guys want to come for a breakfast ride in Gurpur, there's a lovely point here, breakfast point. I'll just show you guys. It's called Hotel Janata, just here. Check this point, Hotel Janata there. Beautiful place, old style. You can go inside, sit. They still make wood fire dosa and some nice vada. So you want to come have some wood fire dosa, the place to come and visit. And you still have that old style feeling where you sit and have breakfast, you know, right next to the chula types. I just love such places, and Renuka, where we're going, is one such place. It's still the old style. They've not modernized the way most of the restaurants are today, but then the joy of sitting there is different. And again, a nice belt of twisty road start. I just don't know, I go crazy, man. I just go absolutely bonkers the minute I see such roads. And when you have a motorcycle like this, you just can't stop. I know I've bought a group for a ride. Despite of that, I'm just going, sometimes I just go crazy, especially on such roads. You know, it's something about these ghats, and more than that, it's something about this motorcycle. You know, it's got so much of grunt, so much of power in this. This is beautiful. More than riding this on a straight line, going on a top speed, I prefer to go on such roads where you have nice twisties, and you know, enjoying the power that way rather than on the top speed. What do you guys like? Comment below and tell me, what do you guys like? You like a straight line, full throttle, or something like this, which is a nice twisty road, feel the power, always on, you know, something between second and third gear, and then just enjoy leaning on each corners, taking the corners like aggressively. What do you like? I like this. This is my kind. This is totally my kind. I just love, you know, something like this. And at the same time, I always make sure I keep an eye on my riders right behind me, just to ensure they're safe and sound, and you know, always keeping an eye. That's what I do. Let's wait for the other riders to come and join.
And here we are at Renuka Hotel at Bajikoli. Let me give you a tour of this hotel, and this is where we are going to sit and have a breakfast. It's going to be like a buffet style, and this is one of my favorite hotel. If I am passing by this road, no matter what, I stop here for breakfast. This is Renuka Hotel for you guys.